Yes, divide and eat. Greetings, everyone. May the blessings of Almighty God be with you and your family forever. And you enjoyed the thumbnail. Honestly, accept your parents, mother, father, and children. This is divine relationship, parents and children. There is a cutthroat competition outside. Everyone is trying to eat another one, and for that, I wrote there divide and eat. But honestly, my message here, beware of divide and rule policy. This is an ancient policy. Indians know very well it because it was applied by the Britishers pre-independence area time. So I'm not talking on the global strategies or politics. I'm talking about your personal life because this divide and rule or divide and eat is applicable and people use it, manipulate it badly to disturb your married life, your friendship, or whatever partnership you are having, which is going good. So you know it since childhood, divide and rule. But my video is to just remind you that of your happy married life or your happy friendship in classroom or good office life, successful career, jealous person can play divide and rule or divide and eat with you. So beware of such manipulators in your life, in your personal life. I'm talking about your personal life only. This you know, I understand this you know, but my duty is to just remind you because as the time will monkey, so as the time will we will go in future, such things will increase. Monkeys here. Apologies, monkey intervened in my open air studio. All is nature. All are monkeys actually not came to urban areas. We are spoiling or day by day destroying their green area. I rarely watch any fruit tree anywhere. So what they can eat, and the urban areas are increasing and the agriculture areas are reducing. In last 20 years, I see, especially in India, agriculture lands are shrinking. So jungles are shrinking. So it is not fault of the monkey that monkey came in the urban area, disturbed my video making process. But this is our fault. We are not leaving any green jungle sanctuary for them to survive. So they are compelled to enter in the because to feed themselves in the urban areas. So come back to the topic. On your personal life, this divide and rule or divide and eat policy can be played by any of person whosoever is not interested in your happiness or success. Now sunset, so light is dim. My point of view, in case you are in recent fight with your any partner, family member, office colleague, so recheck twice. Is there not anyone playing divide and rule or divide and eat between you both? And if it is not so, you have a very sweet relationship, so live alert. You must not be victim of it. And to reinforce, to put a weight on my this saying, I give an example by a story. Many of you know this story from childhood. There were three bulls in the jungle, very big size, healthy, and bulls were living very happy, friendly, and enjoying the jungle. One lion as a king of the jungle, was having jealousy with those three bulls, that they are powerful. Bulls are powerful, as well as they are three together. So I fear, while I am the king of the jungle, but I fear they can even, while bulls never hunt for the lion, but they can anytime they can kill even me. And lion was used to eat the bulls, finding the bulls alone and eating. But the three bulls in the jungle were living together, so lion cannot dare to kill them or eat them or hunt them. Therefore, lion made a one plan, crooked plan, bad plan, that if I make the dispute between the three, among the three bulls, so they can easily separate it, and I can, whenever I'm hungry, I can eat them one by one. By this way, lion played the divide and rule, and spread the news in entire jungle that out of the three bulls, one of the three bulls is very choosy, cunning, and eating good grass, good part of the grass, green part of the grass, and rest to, means one is manipulating with the rest of two. And it is said, if one lies has been saying multiple times, so people try to understand it as a true. So from one year to another year, this news was spread in entire jungle, that one bull is very cunning, while it pretends as the friendly with the rest of two bulls, but it is a very cunning and eating the good part of the grass and caring of himself very much. Now, as this rumor is spread, because whosoever dream to play the divide and rule, use the rumors, third person, to bring that dispute. So now three bulls started to fight with each other, because they, if a lie is said, multiple times, then people start to treat it as a truth. As Napoleon Bonaparte told once, if a lie is spoken multiple times, then people start to feel it as a truth. So three bulls also started to fight that, yeah, one bull was in favor of victim bull, and overall three bulls started to fight, and they separated. They started to eat the grass separate. They started to live separate. Everything separate. Now it was the lion. It was the lottery for the lion. One by one, lion did hunting of the all of three by after finding them alone. So the lesson of this story: live united. Unity is the power, and don't allow in your family or office friendship or family friendship or any sort of attachment that third person arrive and play the divide and rule. So my message is clear. Just a reminder. All things your soul know from many lives. Your soul is traveling. I am just a alarm reminder, reminding man. See you later.